In our vast and wonderfully diverse world, teeming with countless cultures, languages, and histories, there exists a quiet but powerful force working to connect us all. This organization is UNESCO, and its story is one of hope, collaboration, and a steadfast belief in the power of the human mind and spirit. The name UNESCO itself tells a story. United Nations Educational, Scientific, and Cultural Organization. Each letter represents a pillar of its foundation. The organization officially came into being on November 16, 1945, as the world was emerging from the shadows of devastating global conflict. The Constitution famously opens with the powerful words, "Since wars begin in the minds of men, it is in the minds of men that the defenses of peace must be constructed." At its heart, UNESCO's vision is beautifully simple: to build a world where peace is the norm, where every child has the chance to learn, and where cultural diversity is celebrated. Think of it as a master weaver, using the threads of education, the natural and social sciences, culture, and communication to create a strong fabric of global solidarity. UNESCO pursues clear objectives: ensuring quality education for all, mobilizing scientific knowledge, safeguarding cultural heritage, and promoting free flow of information. UNESCO is a vibrant family of 194 member states, each voluntarily committed to its constitution and ideals. Member states meet every 2 years at the General Conference to set priorities, decide budgets, and forge a shared path forward in service of the common good. In education, UNESCO champions the fundamental human right to learn, leading global efforts to improve literacy rates, especially for women and girls often left behind. In science, UNESCO fosters international cooperation through programs like ocean research and biosphere reserves, helping us understand and protect our planet. In culture, UNESCO protects both tangible heritage like ancient monuments and intangible traditions like music, dance, and crafts that define our shared humanity. The World Heritage Mission began with saving Abu Simbel temples in Egypt, proving the world could unite to preserve our shared heritage. Today, over 1,000 properties across 160 countries are protected as World Heritage, belonging not to one nation, but to all humanity. Much of UNESCO's vital work happens quietly, like literacy programs where each person learning to read represents a triumph over inequality. UNESCO helped establish CERN and manages shared water resources, turning potential sources of conflict into opportunities for cooperation. Through projects like the Slave Route Initiative, UNESCO confronts difficult histories with honesty, building a more inclusive future based on mutual respect. In our age of digital misinformation, climate crisis, and social division, UNESCO's mission is more critical than ever. Environmental crises and social challenges require international cooperation. UNESCO provides the essential framework for the collaboration we desperately need. By safeguarding cultural diversity and promoting intercultural dialogue, UNESCO teaches us that our differences are not a threat, but a treasure to be celebrated. UNESCO represents the best of our collective aspirations, championing the power of the human mind to solve problems and the human heart to build empathy. The challenges ahead are immense, but UNESCO's story is one of hope, reminding us that our shared future will be built on the strength of our shared knowledge and creativity. Through education, science, and culture, we hold the keys to a more harmonious and sustainable future for all life on Earth. This is UNESCO's enduring promise to humanity.